I get it. It can be very hard to predict if the stock market is going to go up or it's going to go down. But when blue chip stocks are down 30, 40, 50%, does it matter? You just buy, which is what I'm doing. You got Microsoft, you got Tesla, you got Nvidia, Apple. All these big blue chip stocks beaten up, and people think the bear market is going to continue, which it might, but who cares? We are down such a good discount, it makes sense to start a starter position now. And if we're wrong, or if I'm wrong, I'm gonna add. It's still discounted 50%. Without a doubt, all investors, if you've been doing this for a year plus, you know that the stock market goes up. It goes up, up, up. It has its moments of down, 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 but overall, up, up, up. Where's the bears? Where's the bears? No one can find the bears after this massive pump, spike, rebound, and recovery on the markets. Looking at SPY, it bounced to 420. Elon, you hear this? Bounced to 420, strong bounce. We are chilling at 435, and we have wiggle room. When you bounce this far away from your support, you could come down halfway. We could come all the way down to 431 because people are jumping in now thinking this is the start of the rebound, which it is, which it very well might be. I'm putting my money on it being the start of the rebound. And then when they get shaken out, that's when it goes up and they go, what the hell, I sold. They buy back in here and it's rinse and repeat. Don't sell, add, keep buying. Don't let these whales, these market movers shake you out. It's a simple rinse and repeat strategy, formula to get you to keep selling. Anyway, so let's look at a few stocks here, a few blue chip stocks. I'm gonna show you what I'm seeing in these charts moving forward. Tesla is the first saucy one. So if you were buying down here, you have a nice potential return of 46%. It's nothing. 46% potential return if you bought down here at 850, but you waited. So you bought up here at 970. Well, still got a nice return, 27%. It's gonna get shakier though. The markets don't just straight rebound and head north like they're gonna visit Santa Claus. No, they're gonna bounce around because they wanna try and shake you out, shake new people in, shake them out, and then have them buy in later and push it higher. A lot of people are worried about this bear market going much deeper and not buying Tesla at this 40% discount. Is Elon worried? No! Look at his tweet. He's out driving his Cybertruck, wind in his hair, blunt in his hand. He's having a good time. Apple. We know Apple's not going nowhere. Apple's the biggest company in the world. Huge. They're gonna keep going up. So they're at a nice bottom here, down here. I would be personally buying Apple at the high 150s. It's at 162, but we got that wiggle room. And we are going to continue to push up like we always do when we have these dips. We always push back up, and we're gonna push back up. Apple's going to 200. Microsoft, almost back above its long-term trend line. It was trending around, the trend started peak pandemic, March 2020. That's where the trend started. It wouldn't fall below it. It finally fell below it. But look, it's a little blink, an opportunity for the whales to get in a little cheaper, buy their calls, because the calls were super cheap down here. Now they're through the roof. So once we get back above this trend, we can continue this, or we can make a new trend over here and then push up and go more vertical. I also like Nvidia, 50% potential profit on Nvidia, looking super good. If you want to know if I bought any of these stocks, if I'm adding any of these stocks, if I'm selling or when I'm selling, click the link in the description. You get a bing right to your phone when I buy, sell, reduce, add, or go all in on any of these stocks and crypto. 2022 is going to be very good because there's so much bear sentiment. And I was a little bit late on my predictions. I said mid-January we would get saucy. We needed the flush. We didn't have the flush yet. We had the flush. Now, late January, hopefully we get saucy. But nothing's guaranteed. You need to move where the markets are going. And if we are wrong, that this is not the start of a bull run, we're wrong. Then we maybe reduce, we sell, we wait to add lower, etc. Breaking news. Let's look in this real fast. Message from Pomp. Looking good. The Fed will leave interest rates unchanged for now, which in turn sent Bitcoin flying up here somewhere. Breaking Bitcoin spikes above 38K on this news that the rates are unchanged. Green flag. Also, just in, the turkey leg has some interesting news going on. Turkey's president urges ruling party to study the metaverse and cryptocurrencies. Is Turkey, the turkey leg, going to get dipped in barbecue sauce? We'll see. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Don't forget, when you hit that button, it's going to get you a little bit closer to retiring young.